Hello everyone, I am Dr. Sirajul Akfazi. I welcome you in my YouTube channel. Today in this video, I am going to talk about tartaric acid. So let us start learning of tartaric acid. The introduction part of tartaric acid is like that. Tartaric acid was first isolated from potassium tartrate, known to the ancient as tartar. During 1800 AD, by the alchemist Zabir ibn Hayyan, the modern process was developed in 1769 by the Swedish chemist Carl Wilhelm Scheele. So, what is the preparation? Tartaric acid is a white crystalline diprotic alderic acid. It occurs naturally in many plants, particularly grapes, bananas, and tamarinds. Is commonly combined with the baking soda to function as a leavening agent in recipes, and is one of the main acids found in wines. It is added to other foods to give a sour taste and is used as an antioxidant. You know, my friend, the important point, salts of tartaric acid are known as tartrates. Salt of tartaric acid is known as tartrate. It is just like nitric acid nitrate. So tartaric acid tartrate. It is a dihydroxyl derivative of succinic acid. Now you can see here the structure of tartaric acid. 2C double bond OH group, 2 OH groups, and 4 carbon. So 2,3 dihydroxybutane dioic acid. Now derivatives. Important derivative of tartaric acid includes its salt, cream of tartar, potassium bitrates, Rochelle salt, potassium sodium tartrate, and mild laxative and tartrate emetic antimony potassium tartrate. Diisopropyl tartrate is used as a catalyst in asymmetric synthesis. Tartaric acid may be most immediately recognizable to wine drinkers as a source of wine diamonds, the small potassium bitrates, crystals that sometimes form spontaneously on the cork. Now, identification. It gradually decomposes, giving off an odor resembling that of burnt sugar. Distinction from citric acid. You know, a 10% weight by volume solution in distilled water solution A is strongly acidic and gives reaction A and B after tartrate. Now, physical properties. Tartaric acid appears as small white crystals when it is in solid form. There is no odor to tartaric acid, but inhalations may cause coughing and sneezing. The solid form melts to liquids at 403 degree Fahrenheit. Now, chemical properties of tartaric acid. Some of the name for tartaric acid usually in chemistry include 2,3-dihydroxysuccinic acid, uric acid, and para-tartaric acid. The basic molecular formula for the acid is C4H6O6. This property gives it the ability to rotate polarized light. This light rotates does not occur in one form of tartaric acid called DL tartaric acid. A large amount of tartaric acid, around 500 grams, would be lethal to a human being. Now, stereochemistry of tartaric acid. Look at here, mesotartaric acid, levotartaric acid, dextrotartaric acid, D minus tartaric acid, L plus tartaric acid, DL tartaric acid, racemic acid. Now, use of tartaric acid. Tartaric acid, also called 2,3-dihydroxybutane dioic acid, crystallizes from solution as transparent monoclinic prism. It is present in many fruits such as grapes, tamarind, bananas, pineapple, and mulberries. It is a byproduct in the manufacture of wine. Tartaric acid is useful in some baking powder, in forming silver mirrors, in lacquers as a flavoring agent, and in especially electroplating baths. Now, health benefit. While tartaric acid is readily used by many different industries for a plethora of reasons, it is also lauded for its health benefits. You know, more specific use of the acid include improving glucose tolerance and lowering overall glucose level, provide itself useful for individual sensitive to glucose. Finally, tartaric acid is said to aid digestion as it helps to improve intestinal absorption. So this is said to dramatically increase the rate of at which quality nutrients are absorbed into the bloodstream from consumed food. So my friends, I hope you will understand the tartaric acid. Now, side effect of tartaric acid. As in the case with many naturally occurring acid, overconsumption of tartaric acid can result unpleasant side effect. While it's unlikely that overeating food that contains tartaric acid will cause such a side effect, those supplementing the acid in its crystalline form are at risk. Such side effects of overconsumption include increased thirst, vomiting, diarrhea, abdominal pain, and gastrointestinal inflammation. So my friends, I hope this video will be helpful to you. If you like this video, then subscribe my channel and thanks for watching.